This is the Sign Essentials stand. One of the new products we've got at the show this year is the VI A-Jet. It's a 2500 by 1300 flatbed UV LED printer, suitable for printing on pretty much any rigid substrates such as aluminium composite, 4X, foam board, cardboard, acrylic, any rigid that's used in sign making or print production can be used. The VI A-Jet incorporates the latest Ricoh Gen 5 head technology, and being LED UV, the lamps don't generate heat. The great thing about it is the print is dry as soon as it's printed because the LEDs cure it. So there's no outgassing time. Once the print comes off the machine, it's already on the substrate and it's ready to be installed. Another new product we have at the show this year is the iEcho Flatbed digital cutter. What we're showing here is our print to cut solution. So we've printed this graphic on the AGFA, and what we're going to do is cut it out using an oscillating knife. So the first thing it did is used a camera to find the registration marks, and if the print was a little bit crooked, it would just compensate for that and adjust the artwork to fit. Once that's done, it cuts it out and fits perfectly. The iEcho comes with a number of different tools. We've got the CNC router attachment. It was using an electric oscillating knife to do that job. We've got a more powerful oscillating knife for thicker, more rigid materials. Creasing tools, kiss cut for doing vinyl. It comes with a conveyor on it, so if you've got oversized sheets or roll materials, you can use the conveyor to pull it through. We come in a number of different sizes. This particular model's 2.5 metres by 1.7 metres, and we can go right up to the biggest we do standard is 5.5 by 3.2 metres. So there's plenty of options. It all depends on what you need to do, and we can tailor a solution to fit many different applications. Finally, I'd just like to show you on the Sign Essentials stand the Impact CNC and Roland LEF 200 promotional products display we have. On the Impact CNC laser, we're cutting out acrylic. It's a wonderful effect you get with the acrylic with a perfectly flamed edge, comes straight off. And we're cutting out these little giraffes just to show what you can do with promotional products. Then what we do is bring them over to the Roland LEF 200. And we set up a jig on the LEF 200, which is then printing using a UV LED ink over the top of the acrylic to give a finished giraffe effect. The other things you can do on the LEF 200 are a number of different promotional products. You can print onto golf balls, pens, iPhone covers, drink canisters, many different products, name badges. The ideas are only limited by your imagination, and it's a great little machine for the promotional products industry, and it's proving to be very, very popular. So thanks for visiting Sign Essentials. We hope to see you next time. We are also showing the Lambie desk flatbed applicating table at Visual Impact this year. The Lambie desk has been out in the market for a couple of years now and has proved to be very popular. It's a great time saver where it turns a difficult job applying vinyl into a very quick and easy job. I'll just quickly show you how it works. The Lambie desk, the unique feature on the Lambie desk is the motorised roller. So we have a foot pedal that can drive the roller. To get started, it's just a matter of peeling back the front edge. curl it under and then feed back to the front of the material. Then it's just a matter of driving the machine off to the back of the table, and whether it's a smaller sign like this one or a 3 metre or 4 metre sign, it'll just go the whole way. So it's done quickly, easily, no bubbles, done.